Hello, lovely people. Cinema 4D 2025 is out, version 0.0, and I have it downloaded here. Let's install it and see what it looks like. So here is the setup file. I'm going to right click and choose run as admin. I'm going to say yes. So that's it. So I'm going to click on finish. Wow. Look at the first impression. It's out of this world. And I think this one should be faster than version 2024. Though it's too early to say, but I'll keep you posted. So I would like to go and launch it now. And here is Maxon Cinema 4D 2025. Lovely. So what we have here, we still have the same welcome screen. I'm gonna disable it. I don't want it to show every time I start Cinema 4D. Wow. So what do we have here? Let's take a quick look. Starting from here, Cinema 4D 2025 version 0.0. Everything here seems the same. In the icons, no changes. And from my first observation, there seem not to be any changes on the user interface. Let's check for the old UI. Here is the old UI, still much present. Everything seems the same. Are you really sure this is a new version? Well, let's go back to the new layout. Ctrl D. So here we have project. So far, I don't seem to find any new thing in Cinema 4D. So let's check what's new in Cinema 4D 2025. So here is the Cinema 4D 2025 September 10, 2024 new features. You can actually go through the page to see the things that has been added. You know, Cinema 4D is one of those 3D softwares that the new features are actually not visible to everyone to see unless you are deep into Cinema 4D. So this is where I'll be stopping this video. I will see you on the next one.